As a lifetime car enthusiast, I've always dreamt of visiting Daikoku. This video captures my experience exploring this legendary car hub, meeting passionate JDM owners, and visiting the sheer energy of this unique culture. Now let me get this straight. I was able to drive Han's car in the beginning. I got some footage of that, but also I was able to just enjoy, take a ride, and be taken on this journey. Man, come on with me. This site came about and evolved from an abandoned highway rest stop in the legendary JDM gathering spot. Tracking back to the 1990s when car enthusiasts started to utilize the space for late night gatherings and impromptu drifting sessions. Man, this showcases everything you gotta know. This place has raw energy and passions that's fueled for initial gatherings. Everybody here is so friendly and the camaraderie runs so deep. There's no way you could leave this spot being angry.
True. Nah, America's crazy.
And like I said before, Daikoku is an environment that's welcome to foreigners and welcome to anybody coming in who's interested. Thank you, Japan, and thank you for everybody who I met along the way. It was such a fun experience, and hey, I can't wait to go back.
Starting point again?
I think I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, then,
My bad, bro.
my pleasure meeting you.
Okay.
Let's just stay in contact through Instagram.
Go!